Good morning. I'm Dr. Francisco Velasquez, Interim Health Officer for the Spokane Regional Health District. Today, Monday, April the 5th, kicks off the first day of what we know as National Public Health Week. A week that is dedicated to recognizing the people that work to make our communities safe through all of our public health services and efforts. The past year has been challenging for all, but the Spokane community has come together and demonstrated its resiliency one more time. After a year of incredible change, we can finally see the light at the end of the tunnel, and it is time to start looking towards a brighter future. A future where we'll be able to see people's smiling faces, where we'll be able to gather once again with friends and family. If you are able to, immunize as soon as you can. And if you have questions, please know that we're always here to help you. You can reach us at any time, and together we're making great progress in Spokane, in the state, and let's keep that going. Have a wonderful week, and thank you.